We can rewrite expressions involving negative exponents as rational expressions. Recall, the definition of x to the negative nth power is just 1 over x to the nth power. And therefore, we could rewrite, for example, x squared times y to the negative 3 as x squared over y cubed. Or, as another example, 2x to the negative 2 as, notice that the negative 2 power only applies to x, 2 over x squared. I'm going to have you try a couple of these. Rewrite the following expressions involving negative exponents as rational expressions. Rewrite these two expressions involving negative exponents as rational expressions involving only positive exponents. Pause the video and try this now. Alright, 3 and z to the 5th have positive exponents. X squared and y to the 4th become positive exponents but go in the denominator. Here I see 2 already in the denominator. X to the 4th, z. My numerator will just be y, since y has no negative exponent. Note that I don't need to write z to the 1st. It wouldn't be wrong to do so, but it would be weird.